From the 1st of January 2021, shipments between the United Kingdom and the European Union will require detailed packing list documents and other shipping documentation to meet new Brexit regulations. As an exporter, you will be required to provide export documentation such as packing lists, commercial invoices, and other declarations to ensure that products are cleared through customs without delays. It's important that a packing list template contains all of the required information and fields. Here's an example of how shippers use IncoDocs.com to easily create packing lists for export. As an example, let's say that I am an exporter based in the United Kingdom and I have just shipped some furniture products to my customer in Denmark. At the top, I select the exporter. I can click to select from my pre-saved list or click to add a new contact. I will select ABC Exports. Then I select the consignee, Global Imports. Then I complete the shipping details below. Method of dispatch, by sea. Type of shipment, LCL. Vessel name and voyage number. Port of loading and date of departure. Port of discharge and final destination. Over on the right, I complete my export invoice number and date. I can choose to enter a bill of lading number, my buyer's reference number, and any other reference numbers if required. If the buyer is different from the consignee, I can select to add another contact here. Then enter the country of origin and country of final destination. Then I add the products into my packing list. I can click Add New Product to create and save new product details, or just select the products from my pre-saved list. So in this example, I have shipped one pallet of goods by LCL Cargo. So let's say I've shipped some bar stools and some bar tables together on one pallet. Note that these products are grouped together into one package. I enter the unit quantity of each product. Then I enter the kind of packages and number of packages. I have shipped one pallet made up of these products, so I enter kind of packages, pallet, and number of packages, 1. I enter the net weight and gross weight of the package, then the total cubic measurement of the packages. Note that this packing list is very flexible to use in many different cases. If I want to add more products into this pallet, I can click Add another line. If I have separate pallets or packages included in the shipment, I can click Add Package, then enter the details of the other products and packages below. On the left, I can add any additional information into the packing list. Then on the right side, I confirm and sign the document. To finish, I click to sign the document. I can type my signature, draw my signature, or upload my signature file. I click Save and the document will be created. I can download or print the PDF document. I can also add my company's digital seal onto the document. On the left, I add my company information to automatically create a digital seal, or I can click Upload to upload my own file. If you're exporting, use IncoDocs to streamline your shipping documentation. Try it yourself at IncoDocs.com.